Wait a minute, I got some potty to do it, okay? Okay, one more time. You better, you get him. You get him. Uh-oh, he's going to get your belly. Oh, you're getting Tessa's belly.
They're being discreet today.
You should have seen Roy over there at the bear a while ago.
Oh. Bear did Bear cotton to that? I didn't think so.
He got a ground at him and he took off.
I want to see you get him. Uh-oh, he's... Come here, let me see your belly. Oh, see the... Here, you come on.
You didn't get that on camera?
Oh, good. Here,
Get him again.
He's tired of having that.
Tessa's real brave. She likes to put her mama up to doing things that could get her in trouble.
Or Rodney, either one. Tessa will go get Rodney and bring him to the kitchen. Cookie! Cookie! Cookie!
No.
No.
Come on over here. Come on.
You'll get that puppy.
Let's go see his bill.
Come here.
You're something.
Come here. I'm not squirting. He's over here. Hey, here, come here, Chris.
You know what else
Squirt.
you like?
Squirt.
Come
here, Chris. Well, so much for that. There you go. Get ready. There you go.
Yeah, you better get in the shade to carry on such activities.
Stay on it. Come here, Chris. Come here, Chris. Come on, Squirt. Come here, Chris.
No. There's nothing.
Whoops. He's bad. He's no fool. Hey, go get her. Don't let that big old bulldog like that bother you.
Don't put it in your mouth.
I'm not putting it in my mouth.
No, I can't believe a little puppy would... Is that what you were laughing at last night? Yeah. Oh, that's so good.
Tessa thinks they're trying to go piggyback
I
ride.
think I better give him some ice before we're done.
Oh, no,
Oh.
And he's just 3 months old.
yeah? Just think when he's a year old.
Oh, man, he's going to be horny.
Tessa!
There's excellent boys, I'll tell you.
You need to keep getting
No.
voiceover on there.
Boy, I don't feel like I'm back on the phone.
Put him
down.
Put him down nice.
That thing really worked beautiful.
That's a good idea.
It's really, and it looked good too. It looked clear up to the top of it when they had the blossoms on. But her row of asparagus out through there has really done well.
Where's that plant?
see where the green row is? You look right through the wire.
Oh, yeah.
And then you can see the row out there.
Yeah.
I think we're really a little too crammed in there with those trees to have the garden do very well.
Yeah.
I've had several people tell me that we're slowly taking a few more trees out in here all the time. I took 3 out down in there. Whoop.
Like to walk that rail, huh? Ooh, I got my...
Okay.
Here we are, coming back from Hartford to Columbia on Tax Day, 1990. At 4:35, and we want to take a little quick picture of here where Chrissy's sleeping at here.
Their hind legs and our bottom on the floor and our feet and our head up on the seat of the console.
You were on a cigarette. Here goes Chrissy into a tailspin. But she landed on her feet anyway. Things are getting green. Lots of traffic out on this Sunday, Easter Sunday. Thank the Lord for Easter Sunday. Hallelujah, He has arisen. Lo is the... Chrissy's trying to get a little more comfortable now. Oh, now we're going down here. Maybe we'll try this. Chrissy, don't waste too much time. We got just a few more seconds here. Yeah, since she put that air right there, and that's where she put her nose, and the bear knows that a little better. Look at these hairy legs. Getting close up here. Really? Just get real close up. Experiment with the macro. We'll pick it off that, pick it off that. Put this over. Just as every missing here, he'll be his distinguished scar.
The shepherds and wise men standing around with blank, forcing expressions on their faces.
Be the one, what in the world
I
that guy
always thought those
doing?
expressions convey pretty much the attitude of the world in regards to all this. Aside from that struggle, Christmas is a
Put
time
your
of
ring
life.
over here. Shoot right there.
It's a time when, despite the world's commotion, that peace, which is just another form of life, settles in and around our hearts.
Look at that sparkle.
It's our family custom to go to a barn and read the Christmas story. We make certain it's a real working house. That setting allows us to focus more clearly on the story for what it is.
Picture.
A picture of the poverty in which he's lived out his entire life. The shabbiness of that setting is also a reminder
This
to
is
us
how you go to the
of another
extras house.
sexy place he
You
chooses
get
to
off
be
on
born, is in the
321.
heart. A place more
Once and
filthy
for all.
and cold than any stable.
Exit number
I
151.
suppose that if Christmas means
Excuse me,
anything to you,
115.
it has
There's
to
a
be
big
everything.
Hardy sign. You can't really miss that big Hardy sign. I mean,
Well,
McDonald's sign.
It's a time of darkness.
You know which one it is. Don't be fickle. Okay. One that looks just like that.
It's a time of
You
joy.
come down to 321. You follow a motorcycle going that way.
Little newborn face, hoping to see the glimmer of God.
Okay, this is
It's a time of
321. You
relief,
take
of finally seeing
321.
the promise of God become a person. And it's a time of tension as we look ahead in the life of this little one with a kind of historical
Go past the old closed
because of
gas
course
station right there. Cisco or something like that, whatever.
the loneliness
You drive down
of the
through here,
reminds us of the
and you have
loneliness of
Justin
another place on
Food
Hill,
place.
and the
Not
crude
yet.
trough of
Oh, here comes the
circulation
now.
seems almost as true
That's
as
the
what
fire
we
truck.
call. The infant cries we hear coming from the stable seem no less desperate than that final cry.
That's the sign right here.
But the light
We
that
have
shines in the
ignition.
stable shines in our hearts
First
today.
light,
And that
Cayce
penetration
Waterworks
for
or
joy.
something is over here to the right.
The poverty he took upon himself has made all who believe in him infinitely rich.
Oh, there go the
The
preacher.
darkness
We
has been
caught him.
swallowed up in the light. The despair in the hope he gives. And the grief
Please,
of the
if you don't
world
want your kids to
will
take
someday
And there's
dissolve in
a, what's the name of that
shout
store
of joy
there?
that will come from that same
Fast Fair right there. You go down here, this is Moss Creek. This is the fancy second best place to live in Cayce. Besides Eastwood, of course. Justin has his little boot store over here. Justin Boot. You didn't do that really well, but anyway. Then over here you have Bilo. You don't shop at Bilo though. They go into shopping centers and rent from them, and then they move out and won't let them have the rent place back. Drives up that area. And here we have our own little cruisers. Okay, go up here and you take a right. And this is Eden, North Eden. There's a big bog in between the Bilo and Dixie over there. And if you're not dizzy or seasick right now, you go down here and you do a twip. Take a double trip. Then you pass Eastwood Park and then you do the double trip.
No, I know the local one is playing on the side of
One of our Cayce. We're close to Bull Street in Columbia, so you have to be understanding that we have a little loonies down here. Okay, you come down here to this arrow. You take a left. Yeah! It's not really a left, it's sort of the street road. You pass that lupus there. And here's our famous Eastwood. Probably you get a better picture if my seat was not laid back, so you get to see the dash, half of the dash the whole way back. And I can't believe, let's see how fast she's going. She is going 55 miles an hour. I guess she's doing okay then. It felt like it, looking through this one-eyed. They have the one-arm bandit, one-arm bandit, one eye. Everybody's going to have their eyes will be, they'll lose sight one eye through evolution, so they evolve into camcorder generation. There's where the priest is. So you're going down northeast, relatively straight once you get past the lupus. You come down here, if you went straight, you would run right smack into our local swim center, which sometimes I wonder if it would be worthwhile to join for about $220 a year. Probably end up not going but one time. But we would enjoy that $220 visit, I'm sure. Okay, we come up here, you pass the fence that goes into the swim center, and you come to the stop sign. S-T-O-P. Four-way stop sign. There's one there, and one there, and one back over there. Take my word for it, it's over there. Okay, and you come cruising down here. These are 30 mile speed limit. But Renee goes 35, so everybody goes 35. She's changed that rule. She's the official director of financial aid or something like that in this county, in this Edenwood Association.
Legal and restricted.
Oh, she's restricted legal or
There's a
something.
school over here. We're passing by Taylor Elementary School.
There's a
on
school.
the left.
There's a school over there. See, over there, over there.
Then you come up here to
Past the local Hoodlum Street.
and then you come by the Azalea on the left there.
Move down here and you go by the right of way. The S-C-E-T. Right
Then
of
you
way.
come to Pecan Street on the right.
I thought it was all Duke Power in South Carolina until I came to Columbia. I found out they had S-C-E-T.
Then you come to Evergreen on the right.
And there he's huffing and puffing.
Evergreen's on the right, and you turn left and
There's
to the
a
drive.
brown mailbox with the original sign that was for sale sign on there. Had a big ruckus about that. You drive up, make sure you bring some goodwill offering, like a doggy bone or something.
And then turn it off so you don't have to listen. And that's the garage.
Oh, yeah, look at the garage. You did, you know.